What are we doing today?
Hello viewers. Today we will be replacing the cabin air filter. We picked this one from Amazon. It's 99.9% efficient. So first thing we need to do is pull out this cover here. Oh, that was easy. If you go in and do it from the that's what's in there. All right, so the cabin filter should be behind this. Lots of stuff in here. So now what we need to do from this side, put your finger in and push a tab for this to come out. Whew. Didn't have to be this hard. So here's the filter. Not sure if it's dirty. Yeah, it's dirty. So this is the filter. So I'll replace it with this new one. Looks the same. Yep, looks very much the same. Airflow this way. Okay, there's only one way to go in. So now we just put it in. That's it. And the filter's in. Now the only question is, this one has a rubber piece. See here, we have a rubber piece, but here we don't. Alright, so we're just gonna close it. Not sure what this clip was from. Extra clip. Might have been from this. So it goes in like that.
Thanks for watching.